As always, today I am here with another important video. I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the best electronic skateboard from trusted brands to help you decide. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff, profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to read my description. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The MEEPO Electric Skateboard is designed to handle and carry significant weight along with you from one place to another without trouble. The elegant design and fantastic finish are another attraction point of this electric skateboard. It works the best at a speed of 29 miles per hour, which is also its maximum attainable speed. The MEEPO Electric Skateboard can cover a total distance of 11 miles on a single charge. The most amazing fact is that it can easily handle 45 degrees of the downhill slope. When you use an 8A charger, you can completely charge the board within 28 minutes. It can tolerate a maximum load of 300 pounds. Number 2. The Backfire G2 skateboard is perfect for commuting to an office, nearby market, or anywhere you wish to go. Start the device, adjust the speed as per your will, and you are all set for a thrilling and comfortable experience. 2 motor hubs, each fitted with 400W motors. The Backfire G2 has a flexible curved deck, thus providing stability and adventure. It can cover a distance of 11 to 12.5 miles after complete charging. The maximum speed it can achieve is 24 miles per hour. It can bear a maximum weight of 240 pounds. Number 3. The JKing Electric Skateboard is designed using 5 plies of maple and 2 plies of bamboo to provide a smooth and stable riding experience. It is perfect for commuting and street wandering and ensures that you get access to a smooth riding experience. It can cover a total distance of 8.2 miles after a full charge. It takes 4 hours to charge the battery fully. The JKing Electric Board can attain a maximum speed of 16.7 miles per hour. It can cover an uphill grade of 12 degrees. It can bear a maximum weight of 210 pounds. Number 4. The TeamGee H20G electric skateboard comprises 8 layers of Canada maple and 1 layer of fiberglass. It guarantees to offer complete stability and comfort to its users. It is shockproof and stable to enhance your riding experience. The TeamGee H20G can easily travel a slope of 30 degrees. The rubber wheels are designed in such a way that they efficiently absorb shock. It offers 4 brake and speed modes to provide an unmatchable experience. It can attain a maximum speed of 26 miles per hour. It can easily cover a total distance of 12 to 18 miles on a single charge. Number 5. The KYNG Electric Skateboard is one of the finest and the best skateboards created with utmost precision. The 5 layers of thick maple are the reason behind their sturdiness and stability. 4 different speed modes range from beginner to expert. The KYNG skateboard can achieve the highest speed of 23 miles per hour. You can cover 12 to 15 miles on a single charge with the KYNG skateboard. It takes 2 hours for the board to completely charge and function smoothly. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.